Experience at Stay In has been very, very overwhelming, to be very honest, because firstly I was, since I have been traveling for now 20-25 days, uh, I was very, very reluctant when I left home, whether I would have internet, whether I would have connectivity, whether I would be able to work from such a remote place. But so far, I mean, it's been really nice because the internet has been very good. I am able to do my video calls on internet. I'm able to work. And since I work for a television channel, we have videos, we have graphics coming on emails, and so far I have had no issues accessing my work from here. Apart from that, what I'd like to say is that Stay In, you don't really feel like you're staying in a hotel or you're staying in a very commercial homestay. It's more like you being at home, and I mean they'll serve you food in a very, very humble manner. And honestly, I'm a big non-vegetarian person, but here I am having only vegetarian food, and it is really, really nice. I really love it. They have served me some local cuisine, and basically they're very happy while serving food to you, which is primarily what you want, right? And so in terms of safety, I mean, in Kausani in winters, I mean, it gets dark after 5:30 itself, but for now I am the only guest, so I have still felt very, very safe here. It feels like I'm at home, and the staff, the owners, they're very humble. They're very open to sharing local stories. They're very open to sharing local experiences. They even took me around a little bit, so it was quite nice. They took me for a small trek. They took me to a temple, and so we saw sunrises from different locations. So yeah, I think. My reluctance to come to Kausani I don't think it was backed by logical reasoning. I mean, especially after this experience is what I feel so. So I am definitely coming back, but what I would recommend to fellow travelers, especially solo women travelers, is that if you are doing this for the first time or for the umpteenth time, whichever, Stay In is the kind of a place that you really want to explore, you really want to come to, because I don't think that I would be going to any other place but Stay in Kausani anymore. So the best part about this place is that you get to have your meals looking at the Himalayas. And when I came here, I was in love with Nanda Devi, but after here, I fell in love with Trishul because it looks stunning from here, and you can see all its curves, you can see the shadows, you can see the snowfall, you can see everything. It's amazing. And having such delicious meal with such amazing view, along with so many plants, flowers, a huge terrace area, huge garden area, it just adds up, to the whole experience, and I have enjoyed every bit of it. So, my most favorite meal so far has been the Pahadi chicken that I had yesterday, and it had all the authentic and local flavors in it. So yeah, I mean, it really has been one of a kind experience, because I didn't really expect this experience to be like this. But I'm going back with a big smile and a lot of love and affection in my heart. So, I mean, I really want to wish them all the best for their journey, and I hope there's a little bit of me somewhere here. So, and it will continue to be so. So yeah, and thank you so much for all the hospitality, and especially for so much love and affection that they've given me. So yeah, thank you.